Hello guys, welcome to the Innovate Now channel. Today we will come up with some marvelous website which can be a competitor for all AI image generating applications. So you can see in the intro there are so many things we can do by using this application. So without any further ado, let's see what is this application. This is the Stability AI. I will put the link in the description. You can try it out. And you can see there are so many options in here we can use. There are so many options. The first one is Stability Diffusion Excel. You can generate images using prompts. The second one is Uncrop. Another one is Reimagine Excel and Stable Doodle and Cleanup, Remove Background and Relight. This is a special one. And the Image Upscaler and Replace Background and Text Remover. So today we will discuss today we will demonstrate you how to use these tools for your day-to-day life. So first let's check with this Relight thing. I'll go with some examples in here. So when you upload your image, you will get the image like this, and you can see you can change the light of your image. So I just want to put some red color in here, red light. I can only change the light, so the light will be changed. The only effect of the light will be affect to the image. There will be no red dots like that up to download, but the lighting will be stay same as you can see in here. So this is very useful thing when you edit with your image. There will be some low brightness area or high contrast area, so you can use these tools and make those things perfectly. So you can see that the colors is changing according to the location of our light source. So this is very useful thing when you working with that lighting things. So this is our one example of free lighting. Then our other example is the best one is this uncrop. So you know that Photoshop have that generative fill option, but only paid version will support that one. You can see in my previous videos I demonstrate some generative fill things using Adobe Firefly, but the expanding thing won't work here. But in here, using this tool, you can expand your images and adding more things into the image. You know that when you take an image of some ratio, but in some application like Instagram, Facebook, there will be some another ratio, so you have to crop image, or you can expand the image. Within this tool you can uncrop your image and expand the image as it is. So let's try with some example. So they give us some image, so we can expand our image like this, and yeah, just put the next button, and then it will be generate our image with 4 variations. So you can see 4 variations we can see. We only have the man part, but now we have an image with very pretty background. Likewise, you can use this tool for make your image so perfectly, and just download it and upload to your social medias. You don't need to crop those things. Now you have a perfect image for uploading. So In here you can, before you go the next, you can choose the size which you want. You can do it manually also. If you want image for the Instagram, you might want to put some 1:1 ratio. So I put some 1:1 ratio. So it will generate 4 variations of images which will be perfectly fit onto the Instagram photos. So you can see 1:1 ratio, we got 4 images. That is how you can use this uncrop tool, which is the most valuable feature in this website. Now you don't want to pay Adobe Photoshop, or you don't want to buy a subscription to make these generative fill things. So you can try out these things. These all are free. You can use these remove background options and reimaginate how these things are in here, and you can create images by doodling, and you can clean up things, and you can upscale. You can use this image. If you have any low quality image, you can upscale and sharpen the image, and you can replace the background with various options. So you can try this and comment us how do you like this. So guys, meet you guys in another session like this, and don't forget to subscribe and just click the bell icon, then you will get the latest videos will be uploaded. So then, thank you, bye.